This video is about long multiplication. Here's our first question. What is 243 times 21? First, I need to write it out correctly. 2, 4, 3, and then the 21 underneath. Now, I'm going to make two columns of multiplying. The first column is where I'm going to times by the 1, and the second column is where I'm going to times by the 20. So, I'm going to first times everything by 1. So 1 times 3 is 3. 1 times 4 is 4. 1 times 2 is 2. Now the next column, to times by 20, first I'm going to times by 10, so put a 0 in, and then I'm going to times everything by 2. So 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 2 is 4. Now I've done my multiplying, I can now add these two rows together. 3 plus 0 is 3. 4 plus 6 is 10, so I put the 0 in there and then carry the 1. 2 plus 8 is 10, add the 1 is 11, so put 1 in there and carry 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. So my answer is 5,103. Here is a second multiplication question that's already been set out for us. Now, I'm going to have two lines of multiplication. The first one is where I'm going to times the top number by 4, the 4 from 14. So let's do that. 4 times 4 is 16, so I put the 6 down and carry my 1. 4 times 2 is 8, but add on my 1, so that's going to give me 9. 4 times 3 is 12, so put the 2 underneath the 3 and put the 1 in the thousands column. Now, we need to times everything by 10. The easiest way of doing this is put a 0 in the first column and then times everything by 1. So 1 times 4 is 4. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 3 is 3. And now I add my two rows. 6 times 0, 6 plus 0, sorry, is 6. 9 plus 4 is 13, so 3, carry 1. 2 plus 2 plus 1 is 5. And 1 plus 3 is 4. 4,536. Now, if we were multiplying by a three-digit number, then we would have three lines of multiplying, and I put two zeros in the last line and then add them up.